Friends, today we will start exercise 3.3. Again, this exercise is to solve the linear equations in two variables, that is simultaneous equations. But in this exercise we will solve all the questions by elimination method. So in elimination method, first write the equations in standard form, that is ax plus by and c to be RHS, that is constant term to the RHS, and then number it as equation 1 and 2. So in equation first question, it is in the standard form x plus y and the constant phi is on the RHS, so number it as 1. And again equation number 2, 2x minus 3y is equals to 4, that is equation number 2. See, in elimination method, first step is try to make the coefficient same at least for one variable. At least म्हणण्यापेक्षा कुठल्या तरी एका व्हेरिएबलचं कोएफिशियंट आपल्याला इक्वल करणं गरजेचं आहे. सो दॅट मीन्स मेक द कोएफिशियंट ऑफ वन व्हेरिएबल सेम, and once you make the coefficient same, then look at the sign. If they are same, then change the signs of one equation and then eliminate that term. ज्या टर्मचं कोएफिशियंट सेम झालेलं आहे त्याचे साइन जर वेगवेगळे असतील, so we can eliminate that term. So that means we are eliminating one variable, and once we eliminate one variable, we will get the equation in remaining variable. Solve that equation, you will get the value of that variable. Put that value in any one equation, we will get the value of another variable. In this way we will solve all questions by elimination method. This method is very simpler method. So when there is a question in the exam for solving the simultaneous equation but they are not mentioned which method is to be used, I will suggest mainly to use elimination method. So this will is the simplest method. It will also save your time. So first look at both the equations. The coefficient of x in equation 1 is 1 and in equation 2 is 2, and coefficient of y here in equation 1 is 1 and coefficient of y in equation 2 is -3, that is -3. So we can make the coefficient of x in equation 1 is 2 or coefficient of y 3. So how will we make these coefficient equal? That is multiply equation 1 by 2. So if we multiply equation 1 by 2, it will be 2x, it will be 2y and is equals to 10. So 2x plus 2y is equals to 10. But if you multiply equation 1 by 3, then it will be 3x, it will be 3y and it will be 15. But see, if you multiply equation 1 by 3, you got the coefficient of y same, and along with that we see that the signs of y in equation 1 is plus and in equation 2 it is minus. So it is better to equate or to make the coefficient of y equal because the signs are already different. So one step we are avoiding because there is no need to change the signs after making coefficient equal. So you can make any coefficient of any variable equal. So here we will make the coefficient of y same. So we need to multiply equation 1 by 3. So multiply equation 1 by 3. So what will be the equation? See, if we multiply this equation 3, equation by 3, every term has to be multiplied. So 3 into x is 3x, 3 into y is 3y and 3 into y is 5 is 15. So new equation, new number, I will mark it as equation number 3. Now here it is 3y, so it will be like this only. So equation 2 as it is, 2x minus 3y is equals to 4. This is equation number 2. There is no change in this equation, so no change in the number. Now look at the coefficient of y, it is 3, here it is also 3. Look at the sign. Once the coefficients are equal, then look at the sign. Here it is plus 3y, here it is minus 3y. So it can be eliminated directly, 3y minus 3y cut hona. So we need not change the signs. When you are not changing the sign, that means you are adding both the equations. So I can write the reason here, adding equation 3 and equation 2. So 3x plus 2x is 5x, 3y minus 3y 0 is equals to 15 plus 4 is 19. So 5x is equals to 19. So x is equals to 19 upon 5. So we got the value of x. Substitute this value in equation 1 or 2. So equation 1 is simple. So put, next steps is same. All remaining part is same as previous method. So put x is equals to 19 upon 5 in equation 1. What is equation 1? X plus 5, x plus y is equals to 5. So x is nothing but 19 upon 5. So 19 upon 5 plus y is equals to 5. Now transfer 19 upon 5 to RHS. So y is equals to 5 minus 19 upon 5. So 5 upon, what is it here? 1. I can write 1. So y upon 1 is equals to 5 upon 1 minus 19 upon 5. Cross multiplication. So here it is 5. 5 is at 25 minus 19. So it will be 6 upon 5. So final answer, therefore x is equals to 19 upon 5 and y is equals to 6 upon 5 is the solution. If you have any queries, any doubts regarding any exercise, any question, you can mention or you can share those doubts in the comment box so that I can reply it as soon as possible. So this is question number 1. Actually in question number 1 they have asked to solve these equations by both the methods, substitution as well as elimination, but in previous exercise we have solved all the questions by substitution method. So in this exercise we will solve all the questions by elimination method. So this is sub question 1. Now we will solve sub question number 2. 4x plus 4y. See, 4x plus 4y is equals to 10. Equation number 1. Now what is equation 2? 2x minus 2y. 2x minus 2y. 2x minus 2y is equals to 2. Equation number 2. 3x plus 4y. Here it should be 3x plus 4y. So while writing down the equations, be careful, don't make any silly mistake, otherwise it will be very costly. So confirm the equations. What are the equations? 3x plus 4y is equals to 10. Equation number 1. 2x minus 2y is equals to 2. Equation number 2. Now consider any equation. No, this is not the substitution method. We will try to make the coefficient same of one variable x or y. Here look at the sign of y, it is plus, it is minus, and it is simpler to make the coefficient of y 4. So multiply equation 2 by 2. If you multiply this equation by 2, then it will be 4y, and 4y plus 4y minus will be eliminated directly. Again there is no need to change the signs. Therefore we will consider equation 2, and which will be multiplied by 2, so that the coefficient of y will be same and the signs are different. That's why they are directly eliminated. So first thing here I need to multiply it by 2. So write it here, multiply equation 2 by 2. So first equation is as it is, 3x plus 4y is equals to 10. No new equation, same equation, same number, but here we are multiplying equation 2 by 2. So it will be 4x minus 4y is equals to 4. New equation, new number, number 3. Now look at the coefficient of y. In both the equations it is 4. So 4y plus 4y minus, we can directly cut it, we can directly eliminate it. So you are not changing the sign, that means adding equation 1 and equation 3. So 3x plus 4x is 7x plus 0 is equals to 14. So 7x is equals to 14. So x is equals to 2. Now once we got the variable value of one variable, put that value in any equation, you will get the value of another variable. So put x is equals to 2 in equation 1, 3x plus 4y is equals to 10. 3x means 3 into x, so 3 into 2 plus 4y is equals to 10. So 4y is equals to 10 minus 6. So 4y is equals to 4. So y is equals to 4 upon 4 is 1. Therefore final solution, x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1 is the solution. So this ends sub question number 2. Now remaining two equations we will solve in next video, sub question 3 and sub question 4. Then main question 2 have 5 word problems. Those word problems we will solve in 2 videos. So we will complete this exercise totally in 4 videos. So we will meet in the next video to solve sub question 3 and sub question 4. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.